Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to make or how to create PPT presentation using ChatGPT. I will provide you very smartly tips and tricks how to do it. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all, you need to open ChatGPT. How to create account, how to use it. I make already several video related on ChatGPT. You can visit the playlist and check it out. And here now I just ask here one of the question, and my question here, please help me to make 10 slide presentation on Elon Musk, no placeholder, please use your own knowledge and then present 10 slide. So if I click here, so let's see title Elon Musk entrepreneur, and look at this here, slide number 1 first slide, 2 points, slide number 2 early life, slide number 3 founding PayPal, then Tesla, SpaceX, Solar City and renewable energy companies, neural link and AI, vision and future, and the conclusion. You just simply copy one of those line and open. If I open here PowerPoint presentation, blank presentation, simply we need to add here title Elon Musk. Afterwards delete this one, new slide, and we can just simply add here introduction, slide number 1, and we add here 2 points like this, and you can afterwards you can very easily modify smart way like this. Second number slide early life. This is just of the demo. You can use different types of question also, and accordingly the ChatGPT are providing you interesting way such kind of output, and that one is really amazing. Within a minute I can make a very easily PPT presentation. Accordingly my instruction you can provide as a specific instruction, and ChatGPT are providing you accordingly your expectation output. That one is a really interesting tips and tricks.
If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.